So by using only this strategy, I'm gonna make live $45,000 on a stock option trading. Yeah, that might sound kind of ridiculous or maybe just unbelievable thing. I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna make in this trading session 45,000. Of course it's gonna be long, of course it's gonna be not really easy to do, and the etc etc etc, but I still want to do that. Of course it's gonna be a high stakes and high trades. All I want to tell you is that no matter at what kind of position, you can still make it in a day trading. So you're on the EastTrade channel, and today we're gonna make a $45,000. Now we have, as you can see, our pocket option broker, and as you can see, I'm just gonna use only two indicators that call super trend and moving average. And of course all the settings to these indicators you can see in my Telegram channel, where you can find under the description. And it's actually pretty easy to understand how this is gonna work. Of course you can see those lines. Let me tell you the one simple thing how this is gonna work. First of all, we need to see our super trend. It's the red line that you see on your screen right now. You can see that this line is going down, and it might actually have the pretty decent pattern that you're gonna learn. The second of all, you need to see at what places is going. So if you see that the super trend, the red line, is going here, and also the moving average is faced down to the earth, it's actually showing you and give you the understanding that's gonna be the sell option indicator. The second of all, it's also gonna work in a reverse situation. Likewise, there's gonna be from the super trend the green line, and also the moving average that need to be faced up as well. So it might actually sound pretty easy and might actually sound pretty decent just to get how it's gonna work. So let's stop this kind of chit chat show and just let's begin. So the first trade we are gonna go is the Kisco OTC, or whatever you call it. I actually don't know about this company, and we're gonna make this as an example how this strategy might actually work for y'all. So we see that the sell option plug just recently showed up for us, and we're going for the sell option up here for the $5,000 just because it's showing us that the sell option is looking down to the earth, and also our candle is crossed moving average lines. So and 1 second left, and as we can see, we made our first profit of $4,600, and we are have 105,000 on our balance. So we still need to make like 45,000. I guess shit, it's unbelievable thing, but whatever, we're gonna go to that. And all I'm gonna do now is just going for the fast forwards for you, just not to spend your time, and you're gonna see in the live sort of how this actually is working. Tired a little bit. $45,000. So we started like from 101,000 with something, and we ended up 147,000 on my balance. Shit. Yeah, the session was pretty hard. You can see by the trades that I made. I mean, wow. It's a lot of unprofitable trades that I needed to re-enter. As an example, this Alibaba thing, we made a profit from here. Also the first GameStop also made a profit, and from the Netflix we also on re-entering made, but still we made $45,000 that I told that we're gonna make, and shit. So in next thing, all I want to do is just make something like that, but with the subscribers. We're gonna trade in the live stream, maybe, or maybe in a Telegram, something like that. All links you can find in the description under this video. Thank you for watching this video, and have a nice profit.